Hey guys, Southern Rail fan here to give a tour on the Moulton Street railroad crossing in Decatur, Alabama. It's first signal. Got a federal signal cantilever. On the gated mass, we got a modern industry space, which is quite surprising to see the MI logo for the short one, because usually the modern industry space I see has the letterings modern industries, but the long format. But I've never seen the short version of MI, because MI for short is modern industries, which is quite surprising to see. Got a Safetran gate mechanism. We got some RECO gate lights on this gate. Emergency information, the dot tag is 352093T. The lights on the signal are Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with Western Coultland Hayes second generation LEDs in them. Same with these overhead lights is over here. Oh, I hear a horn. I might want to hurry this up in case southbound is coming. But it looks like it's coming from McIntyre, if I'm correct. Anyways, the overhead lights are Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with Western Coultland Hayes second generation LEDs in them. Bell in this signal is a Western Coultland Hayes mechanical bell, almost certainly a first generation because it's attached on its original modern industry space. It did replace a modern industries bell in 2016 due to how clanky it was sounding. Yeah, I definitely hear a horn somewhere. Or it could be coming from 12th Avenue. Here's facing south towards 2nd Street. And here's facing north toward Vine Street. Second signal, got a federal signal cantilever, though the logo is pretty faded on this one, but it's the same cantilever as that one over there. Got another modern industry space on the gated mass, with just the short MI logo. Safetran gate mechanism. Oh, looks like we got some NEG gate lights on this signal. Emergency information. Got some Safetran 12 by 24 inch lights with Western Coultland Hayes second generation LEDs in them. Same with these ones up here. And these ones up here. The southbound isn't lined and I don't see anything coming northbound, so it's definitely got to be something on the NS. Well, I gotta go back to the other side and get my tripod because I left it over there. One more look at the crossing. This is the Southern Rail fan. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.